Good morning, grade 5. How are you today? Our lesson is chapter 10, lesson 8, circles, and we're going also to take the next lesson, which is 9, circumference. What we're going to take today? Circles. We're going to know more about circles. Circles. A circle is a plane figure. All points on the circle are the same distance from a given point, called the center. Again, a circle is a plane figure. All points on the circle are the same distance from a given point, called a center. What does this mean? The point C is the center of the circle C. For example, if I'm going to draw a line from the circle C, okay, to the circle, from the center C to the circle here, it is equal exactly, it is equal to the same blue line, a yellow line from here, from C to here. It is exactly equal to the blue line that I'm going to draw from the center to, it is exactly equal. So any point I'm going to draw on the circle are the same distance from a given point called the center C. So from the center C, I'm going to draw any line, it is equal to the same distance to any line. So the point C is the center of the circle C. Circle C. A circle is named by its center. A circle is named by its center. The center is C, so I am going to call the circle C. Okay, girls? Okay. The parts of a circle have special names, like a chord. A chord is a line segment with its end points on the circle. The end points of the chord is on the circle. Again, a chord is a line segment with its end points on the circle. Like L, K, and M, N are chords of circle C. Why? Because L is on the circle and K is on the circle. So I can call it LK, I can call it chord. M, N, M is on the circle, N is on the circle. So M, N, I can call it chord. C, N, I cannot call it chord because C is not on the circle. C is the center. So I cannot call it chord. Why? Because the chord, the 2 points of the chord must be on the circle. For example, if I'm going to draw another line like this, I start on the circle and I end on the circle. And for example, I'm going to call it A, N, A, L. We have L, so A whatever, any letter, AI. So the chord must, its point, end point must be on the circle itself. But if one of the endpoints of the chord is on the center, no. Passing through the center, it's okay, like LK. It is passing through the center, okay. But it's 2 endpoints like L and K, they are on the circle itself. Okay, a diameter is a chord that passes through the center. LK is a diameter of a circle. LK is the diameter of the circle. Okay, let me erase this one. Okay. So now I have LK. LK. Why LK is a diameter and MN is not a diameter? Because LK passes through the center. LK is a chord that passes through the center. Here is the center. Here is the center. LK is passing through the center, but MN is not passing through the center. MN is not passing through the center, but LK is passing through the center. That's why it is called diameter. That's why it is called diameter. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center. LK is a diameter of circle C. What is radius? A radius is a line segment with one end point at the center, one end point at the center of the circle, and the other end point is on the circle. So one end point is on the center and the other end point is here on the circle. Like CN. Like CN, one end point is on the center and one end point is on the circle. Like CL, center and circle. Like CK, center and circle. Like CN, circle and center. They are all called radii. Radii is the plural of radius. Radius, the plural of radius is radii. Okay, girls? Okay. A central angle. A central angle. What is a central angle? A central angle in a circle is an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle, like angle LCN. So a central angle is the angle in a circle with its vertex at the center of the circle. Its vertex, like this one, like KCN. The vertex is here. KCN is called central angle. Why? Because the vertex is on the center. That is CNM is a central angle? No, because N, the vertex is not on the center. N, the vertex is not on the center. The central angle, its vertex must be on the center. Its vertex must be on the center. Okay, girls? Left an arc. An arc. An arc is drawn like this. Is a part of a circle with all of its points on the circle, like KN. KN is arc. Like NM. NM is arc. Like ML. ML is arc. Like LK. LK arc. All of those are arcs of circle C. I forgot to tell you an important point concerning diameter and radius. The length of the diameter D is twice the length of the radius R. The D, I give it a letter. The diameter, I give it a letter D. And the radius, I give it a letter R. D is twice R. And we said before that twice is 2. So D is twice R. D equals to 2 times R. And R, so R is D divided by 2. Why? Because like LK is a diameter and CK is radius. LK is a diameter and CK is a radius. So LK is twice R. Twice means 2 times, so D is 2 times R. So R is D divided by 2. Okay, girls? So I'm going to unmute all of you, so we're going to answer some questions. Okay, girls? So,
Okay.
number 7. Name the circle and its center. Who's going to answer? Name the circle and its center.
Can I answer? Sorry.
Yes, Sarah, yes, answer.
The circle will be circle O, and the center will be point O.
Yes, the center is called O, and the center is called O. Why? Because the circle is called, or it's named by its
Teacher, what page?
It's center.
page 339. The next page we're going to answer. Okay, girls. Number 8. Name 5 points of the circle. 5 points of the circle. Who will answer? 5 points. Who will give me 5 points on the circle?
Teacher, can I?
Okay, Lejane? No, Lejane, I will leave you for a hard question. Another one.
Okay.
Okay, I will answer 5 points like W, like for example X, like W, like E, like Y. Okay, girls. Here, how many chords of the circle are shown? Chords. The chord, I want to remind you, the chords is a chord is a line segment that its end point are on the circle. Line segment and points are on the circle. Yes, Sarah Tamim, answer.
X, Z,
X, yes, excellent, exact, and
W, Y.
And W,
X, Y.
yes, and W, Y, and
X, Y.
X, Y, excellent. And don't forget, please, to write the sign of the line segment above it. It is a straight line like this one. It is a straight line like this one. Mariam, please mute yourself because you have a session next to you. Please press mute if you're not going to talk. If you're going to talk, unmute yourself. Number 10, is XY a diameter of the circle? So I have first to memorize the definition of diameter. Diameter is a chord that is
Can I?
below the center. Who will answer? Who will answer? Who will answer? Who wants to answer?
Me, teacher, please.
Lojine, okay. XY is a diameter.
No, it's not because it's not at the center of the circle.
Yes, excellent. No. No, because it is not passing through the.
Yes.
Not passing through the center. Okay, it is not passing through the center. Okay, girls? Okay, number 11. How many diameters of the circles are shown? How many diameters are shown? Diameters are shown.
Teacher XZ.
Rahaf, yes, tell me number 11. How many first?
XZ.
X
XZ.
and
Z.
just wait 1 minute. Yes, tell me. X, Z, yes,
Z.
and
Y. W.
and YW. Excellent. And YW. So how many they are? 2. Right? And
Yes.
don't forget to draw the sign of the line.
The circle.
Okay. 12. How many radii of the circle are shown? Who will answer? Juri? Mariam?
Teacher.
Mariam, can you answer, Mariam? Or Miral?
Teacher. I'm thinking like, I don't know. Teacher, what mean radii?
Radii is the ruler of radius, a line passing from center to the circle.
Teacher, can I answer?
Teacher,
Teacher, me.
Mariam, okay, Mariam, answer. Mariam.
5.
5?
5.
Okay, excellent. Can you tell me their names, Mariam? Excellent, Mariam.
5.
Yes, excellent, Mariam. Tell me their names.
O. W.
Just wait 1 minute. I'm going to choose the color and write 5. So, what? W, yes. And
O. Z.
yes, excellent. OZ or OZ. And
O. Y.
OY, super. What else?
O. X.
OX, and they are 4 till now. OX, OW, OX, OW, OV. OV. Thank you so much, Mariam. And don't forget to draw the line here. Is a line. Okay, girl. Number 13. Okay. How many central angles of the circle are shown? And before you give me the answer, make sure that the vertex angle is on the center. So, how many?
5.
They are 5. Okay. Can you give me their
I
name?
want to say them.
Okay, can you give me their names? I am going to... Okay, give me their names.
Okay. This is V, Z.
What again? Tell me.
There are 5.
5.
Yes.
Huh? Tell me.
Z.
What?
W, V.
No. Central angles. Central angles. Angles, you're going to tell me 3 letters. Okay, I'm going to tell
Teacher, I want to answer. O-Z-U.
Yuri.
O-Z-Y.
Yuri.
ZX.
No. Angles, 3 letters. Like.
Can I answer?
Can I try?
Yes, Farah.
Lamar.
Okay.
Okay, Lamar and Farah, you're going to share this question. Farah, tell me 2, and Lamar, tell me 2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's فرح first.
Okay.
ZOV
ZOV, yes, excellent. Huh?
and XOW.
XO, excellent.
Me. WOV. Right?
WOV, yes, excellent. What else?
And what did she didn't say? Did she say ZOV? ZOY?
ZOV, no, she didn't say ZOY, she didn't say.
Okay, ZOY.
Okay, what else do we have? XOY. We have also XOY, right? So we
Yes.
said XOY, we said XOW, and we said WOV. We said WOV, yes, and we said VOZ. We said VOZ and ZOW, yes. And we have also VOY. VOY, it is a bigger one. VOY. And we have also WOZ. Okay. WOZ. And we have also XO. XO.
Teacher, we have ZXY.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In all, they are 8. You remember, it is like the one that we answered in the Olympiad. How many triangles? We're getting angle, smaller one and a bigger one a little bit. By the way, yesterday was the date of the Olympiads. If we are in our normal conditions, we were there and we won. Next, 14. Name 5 arcs. Name 5 arcs. Name 5 arcs. Name 5 arcs.
Can I please?
Teacher, me.
Mariam?
ZY.
Yes, excellent. Huh?
YX.
YX, another girl?
Me.
Teacher, can I answer?
Viral?
Yes. YW or no?
Y? No, I cannot say it is arc.
No.
Arc.
WZ.
WZ, yes, okay.
Teacher. And VZ.
And what? VZ.
V and Z.
Yes, excellent. And I want another one because they said 5.
And WX. X and Y.
WX. Okay, thank you. And I must put the sign of the arc. I have to do arcs like this. Okay, what kinds of triangle is triangle XOY? Okay, we said in the beginning of the lesson that any line from the center to the circle, have the same length, right? This one is equal to this one, right? Right? In the beginning of the lesson, we said that any line passing from the center to the circle, they are all have the same distance. Like here, where the part of where a circle is a plane figure, all points on the circle are the same distance from a given point called the center. So if I come here back to triangle XOY. The distance from OY is the same like the distance from OX. OY is a radius and OX is a radius. And all the radii in a circle have the same length. Again, all the radii of a circle have the same length. OY is equal to OZ is equal to OV is equal to OW is equal to OX. They all have the same length because any line passing from the center to the circle have the same distance. So triangle XOY, OY and OX are radii, so they have the same length. And this triangle is isosceles. Okay, girls. Let's go fast to the second lesson. So easy.
جوا تحت انظر
Okay.
حزين
What is circumference? What is circumference? Circumference, you know parameter? Parameter is the outline of any shape. Parameter is the outline of any shape. It is the same like circumference. It is the same like circumference. But I do not say parameter of the circle, I say circumference of the circle. I say circumference of the circle. Okay? I have a rule for circumference. I have a rule for circumference. What are the rules used for circumference? Circumference of a circle is pi multiplied by d. What is pi?
3.14.
Yes. What is pi? Pi is a new sign. Remember last week our math day is called Pi Day. Remember it? Pi is a mathematical sign. Pi is a mathematical symbol, okay, that has a value. Its value is 3.14 or 22 over 7 or 22 over 7. So pi has two values. One of the value is 3.14 and the other fractional value is 22 over 7. 22 over 7. I have two rules for the circumference, to calculate the circumference. If the diameter is given to me, so I'm going to write C circumference equal pi multiplied by d. If the radius is given to me, I'm going to write circumference equal pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by r. Why? Because 2r is d. Because 2r is what? Is d. You remember, girls? 2r is d. So the two rules are exactly the same. The two rules are exactly the same. Here I have pi and here I have pi. Here I have d and here I have 2r. And as we learned from the last lesson, d is equal to 2r. d is equal to 2r. Okay, girls? d is equal to 2r. So according to the given that I have, the given is a diameter, so I'm going to use this formula, this rule. C is equal to pi D. If the given is radius, so I'm going to use pi is equal to 2 multiplied by R. Okay, girls, let's solve fast one here. In the second, yes, find the circumference of each circle. Use the value of pi is 3.14. What is given here in number one? The given here is a diameter. How do I know? Because it is the diameter is a chord passing from the center. So how I'm going to solve it? I'm going to do this. Pi. I don't have anything, so I write pi. Okay, girls? Pi multiplied by D. He told me here, use the value 3.14. So it is 3.14 multiplied by D. What is the value of D here? The value of D here is 2. So C is 3.14 multiplied by 2 is 6.28 meter. And don't forget to put the unit, because here I have a unit, so don't forget to write here the unit. 3.28 meter. Let me write here the sign better. Here. I is like pi multiplied by D. The value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by 2. Why 2? Because the diameter here is 2. Let's answer 3. Why 3? Because in 3 here I have radius. I have radius. So I'm going to answer 3 here. C is equal to pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by R. Why 2 multiplied by R? Because the given here is radius, and the given here is radius. I multiplied by 2R. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the value of R, which is
How we take 2 lessons in the same day?
so it is 80.84.
Teacher,
Yes.
we will do number 1 and 4.
1 and 3. No, we don't have time to continue all. We are just giving you examples in one day. And the weekly plan, you have the homework that you're going to do. Let me answer number 8. Why number 8? Because use here the pi as its value 22/7. You have two values for the pi. You have the pi as 3.14 and you have the pi as 22/7. So the pi here is so here I'm going to write the pi is 22/7 multiplied by the d, which is 16. So the answer in number 8 will be 50 and 2/7 when you multiply them. Okay, girls. So the most important thing here is to know that the formula of the circle, it is C equals pi D, pi multiplied by D, the diameter. If the diameter is given, if the radius is given, so it is pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by R. Okay, girls? Girls, please follow the weekly plan so you can be able to answer your homework. Okay, girls, I have to go now because I have another session. You need any question, girls?
No. Teacher.